I'm not afraid.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay them, but you won't take the sting of these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed the kings. It's gassed up, everything that's stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt.
I'm a motherfucking beast! Motherfucking I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast.
Feel you.